One of the reasons I love teaming up with auto glass professionals is just how good they are. And when I say good, obviously I mean it what they do, right? They're the best in the biz when it comes to windshield repair and all your auto glass needs here in the Twin Cities. But I'm talking about like good people, kind, generous, thoughtful. It's part of their value system here that I just so appreciate. Perfect example. They just gave away dozens and dozens of boxes of Thanksgiving Day meals to people in need in and around the Twin Cities. I'd show you one of the boxes, but they're not here anymore. They've already delivered them all. But it would be like this. Take this box, for example. They put a gift card for Thanksgiving Day turkey in here, mashed potatoes, green beans, dinner rolls, all the fixins, and then they delivered it to some fantastic folks who can really use it.
Hey, have you seen my calibration tools?
I think Perk took it as a prop.
You gotta be kidding me.
One call does it all at Auto Glass Professionals. Tell them Perk sent you.